channel. My name is Akila, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make this U-part wig using HerGivenHair's Kinky textured hair. HerGivenHair, they're a hair company that specializes in kinky and natural textured hair, and their hair types range from 3B to 4C. And the hair that I have in particular, this is their kinky textured hair. And this is specialized to match 4B and 4C hair, which is perfect for me because I have 4C hair and it is super hard to find hair extensions that match my hair texture. Let me tell y'all, this hair looks just like my hair. It looks like my hair, it feels like my hair, and it is amazing. This was my first time making a U-part wig, so it was kind of a trial and error, but it turned out really good. So anyways, if you guys want to see how I made this wig, then continue watching. Alright, so the hair came in this really sleek black box, and on the inside were my 3 bundles. I have one 18-inch and 2 20 inches. And this is what the hair looked like once I unboxed it. It was very thick and the wefts were very dense, and it was also very soft and natural feeling, similar to natural hair. As you can see, the texture of this hair is tightly coiled, but after doing my thing to it, it became more coarse. Now, before I make my wig, I'm going to co-wash the hair, and I'm using Shea Moisture's Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask, which is my absolute favorite. And by doing this, I'm just reducing tangling. Now I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and I'm going to start detangling the hair, and I was very surprised that this hair barely shed at all, so that was definitely very good. But I'm also going to use my fingers to detangle the hair as well. And lastly, I'm going to rinse the hair, making sure I get all of that conditioner out. I get no warning when the bad turns are gonna come. And then I'm going to put my wefts onto these hangers and let them air dry. Now it is time to make this wig. So this is the wig cap that I'm using. I got this from the beauty supply store and it was about $6, and it is made specially to make a U-part wig. So this made it really easy for me to sew the hair onto the wig cap. And it also came with combs, which I did end up sewing onto the front and the back of the wig. But anyways, I am sewing the hair onto my wig cap, and I am doing that by taking my needle and going underneath the weft and then bringing it back over. And as I was sewing the hair onto the cap, I was placing my tracks probably about an inch or so apart. But if you want a wig that is not as big and as thick as this one, you can place your tracks a little bit further apart. And I continued this process for the entire wig, just going back and forth with my tracks. And I did use the flip over method. That's basically when you don't cut any of the hair. You literally just flip it over and keep going. And I'm sewing the hair onto this wig cap in a U shape. And as you can see, I am running out of my 20 inches. This was actually the last of it. So I'm now going to start sewing my 18-inch wefts onto the wig cap to give it that layered effect on the top. And I have to say, I honestly do not think that I needed all 3 bundles. I ended up having about half a bundle left. So I think I'm probably going to make some clip-ins, but you could really do this with 2 bundles if you wanted to. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and speed this thing up, okay? Alright, so I'm finally done, and I'm going to clip that string that's connecting my wig cap together, and I'm going to take this thing off my mannequin and slap it on my head. Alright, so underneath my wig, I have my hair cornrowed, but they're a little dusty, so I can't really let y'all see them. And I'm also growing out shaved sides, which is another story for another day. But yeah, I also have this little bit of leave out, and to make it blend with my hair, I'm just going to spray some water on it and get that shrinkage popping. You know, you got to embrace that shrinkage sometimes, but I am right now, and it is blending so well with this hair. Now, as with all natural hair, you want to make sure that you keep the hair moisturized. So I sprayed a little water, and I'm going in with this Lavish Curls moisturizing spray. I'm going to spray that throughout my hair.
So I'm building what the bad never will be.